Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two ways on how you can download code from Lovable AI. Now, I'm going to be showing you two ways. One, you can download it without GitHub, and the second one, you need GitHub. You need to connect to GitHub. Now, you want to go to Lovable, then scroll down, find the project, click on it. Now, you can see the preview of the project. Now, here in the top right, you will be able to see here, sync your project to GitHub. You want to click on it and click on Connect GitHub. And then click on Connect Project. Then click, you want to find here your GitHub. Click on Transfer Anyway. Now, this is going to take a few seconds. Now, after that, you want to click on View on GitHub. Now, you will be able to see all the code here, as you can see. All the code. And then you want to click on Code here inside your GitHub, and then click on Download Zip. Now, this will contain all the files and the code. As you can see here, it will contain everything here, the file, the readme here, every single thing. Okay, so hopefully this first way helped you. Now, if you don't have GitHub, like you cannot connect to GitHub, you can just go to Lovable, find the project here, for example this. And what you need to do is you want to scroll down here. You will be able to find the prompt. Scroll down, and then you will be able to find here this preview latest, and then you can see code next to it. Click on code. Here you will be able to see all the code. Now what you need to do is you want to click here. It says open in code editor. Now after that, you can copy all the code here, or you can just click on download in the top right. Click on download file, and then you will be able to download all the code, as you can see here. So that's how it's going to open in Visual Studio here. As you can see, this is all the code. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.